Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can very easily prevent Snapchat app from saving photos on your phone camera. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, put your likes under this video and write comments. And let's get started with you friends. So, open up the Snapchat app. Then at the top, click on the image of your Bitmoji to open your Snapchat page. Next, friends, on the top right, tap on the gear to open settings. After which, scroll down a bit and select the Memories option. When you open Memories, open Memories. Next, select Save. Save data, and as you can see here, there are several options on how you can save photos and data to Snapchat. These can be, for example, to the gallery or to the camera on your phone. Also, an option that stands automatically is in Memories on Snapchat, as well as in your gallery on your phone or just in Memories. And of course, if you don't want to save your photos and videos in your camera or your phone gallery, then go with the first option. This way, all your photos will be saved only in your Memories in the Snapchat app. In this way, you can easily prevent the Snapchat app from saving your photos in your phone's camera. I really hope this video helped you and was helpful. Please don't forget to put likes and also be sure to subscribe to this channel. Bye-bye.